it's not something that you plan, like sit down and say, oh.
I always do.
Toussy.
Even after you, babes.
Just
intensely and with it all my senses I do. I'm sure I knew the only reason God gave me eyes was to see you. The only reason God gave me ears was to hear your voice say I will always love you.
8
We've
months.
been MIA people, you know what I'm saying? We've been missing in action, so you know, me and babes come back with again.
And this time we're back to stay. We're not gonna be like disappearing, hopefully. We don't know what the future holds. But for now you've got us again.
Yeah.
For now you have us, so
Let's get to it, innit?
let's get the video started. So this is going to be a Q&A, just like answering a few of your questions. If you don't know, we do have a couples YouTube channel. Press, yeah. So basically we've got a couples Instagram page, as we just showed you guys. You can add that page to get through to us, and obviously
just getting like daily information, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
See what the Hassans are doing during the day.
Daily updates. But before let's just jump into the video. I don't want to be chatting away. It's too much chit chatting.
Yeah, let's get it. Let's
get it on. So the first question was how has it been since Toussy came to the UK?
For me, it's quite easy. I'm adapting quite well. But to be fair, I feel like I've just been working, realistically, innit, babe? I've just been working, but it's been good. Like, I appreciate being here with wife, you know what I mean? Sleep, go bed with her, wake up back with her, and it's just a nice feeling, you know what I mean? We can just finally live a life together as a couple, so I'm happy for that.
Yeah, it's been good since Toussy's been here. There's been no problem, do you know what I mean? It's just been nice, it's been easy, it's been relaxing. Obviously you get the perks of waking up with your partner, you know, so it's been nice, hasn't it?
Yeah,
can't complain.
It's been quite good.
Okay, so the next question is how has hubby been adjusting to England?
See that? Well, share yours and then I'll tell you.
I don't know how, I mean, he's been adjusting good. He's nothing
it wasn't much of a challenge, to be honest. It's like I just came in, I just settled in, I just fit in, eat, you know what I mean? I'm very flexible, so it's no challenge. Like even with the cold weather, I'm very happy. Sometimes I just go outside, no jacket, nothing. Babes cuss me out, but
yeah, I do, because then when he gets sick, he's so poorly. You're a bit honest, babe. When you get the cold, he's like, I'm dying.
I don't really get sick, people. I can't be sick, you know what I'm saying?
No, guys, so, trust me.
I don't get sick, people. I'm like, yeah, babes, come on.
Anywho.
But yeah, I've adjusted quite well, to be fair.
Alright, cool.
It's easy.
So the next question is, where am I? In your own words, how would you describe a perfect marriage? That's a nice question.
Yeah, that's true. But for me is you know, there's no perfect marriage, but what you can do the best you can with each other. So it's about understanding your partner, it's about communication with your partner, you know what I'm saying? Because no matter who you are, everybody faced with challenges, you know what I mean? You have your disagreements and all of that, so arguments is a part of it. So it's about understanding your partner and like just try to be flexible, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Is that it?
Okay. Yeah, just try to be flexible with each other. Like,
I would describe my perfect marriage as a marriage that you just what's the word? You compromise. You know what each other. You know what each other. You know what each other likes. You know what they dislike. You try not to go out of your way to upset the person. You kind of do more, like marriage is always like, oh, the woman does everything kind of thing, but I personally feel like the perfect marriage, people just take on a bit of everything.
Yeah,
like
balance.
if let's say someone's doing their schoolwork or university work and you're free, then you know you can cook while they do their work, or vice versa. Like I don't think there's much, I don't believe in gender roles anymore, like just to say the woman cooks all the time or the woman cleans all the time. I think that if you are free and you can do a bit of cooking and cleaning, then you should do it, because it makes everyone's life a bit easier. Because at the end of the day, it's not like it's back in the 50s where women are stay-at-home mums or stay-at-home wives. The female works, the men work. So it's like, I feel like the perfect marriage is about compromising. It's about doing what you can to help each other out, you know. Not this whole like, oh, I'm the man so I do this, or I'm the woman so I do that.
Yeah, it's just about compromising, you know what I mean, being flexible, being understanding with each other as well. So yeah.
Alright, the next question, I think we've already answered that. How has Toussy been adjusting? That's been answered already.
Yeah, Toussy is adjusting well.
So next question, how do you keep your LDR romantic? So when you're in a long-distance relationship, to keep it romantic, it's all about communicating. It's all about
communication. 24/7, you know what I mean? You can't get tired of each other.
It's about knowing your love language as well. Obviously, some people's love language is all about touchy feeling. Some people can do their love language over the phone, but I really believe that to keep an LDR romantic, you just got to know each other, know what each other likes. It's not really all about the sex,
you
or
know what I mean? You can always send a
whatever.
nice little postcard, a nice little package or something.
Just keep
you know
it
what I mean?
fresh.
Just keep it fresh all the time.
Keep it bubbly, know what each other likes, and then try to implement it. Obviously LDRs can be very expensive, so even when you do go and see your partner in the physical, Netflix and chill is fine, you know. Honestly, a back massage, a foot rub, just those little, you know, just the little things count. So I'll just say, just knowing each other, what each other likes as well, just that's how you can make it more romantic, you know. A little nude here and there maybe.
I agree 100%, you know what I mean? Plus, you know what I mean, you don't know if you're familiar with them 4-hour conversation on the phone, you know what I mean? Late in the night, you just tell your partner things that they want to hear, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, phone sex.
Something similar. But it don't have to be direct sex, you know what I mean? It's just about expressing feelings, you know what I mean? Getting like deep and intellectual with like emotions, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's very good.
Alright, next question. Are you planning on taking any holidays this year?
100%.
Yes. Where to?
Holidays inevitable.
That's a secret for now. But yeah, we're gonna travel. We plan to travel.
If you don't know, Toussy work almost every day. Wife cuss me out as well for the same thing, you know what I mean? We work every day, so 100%. Me and Babes have to run go somewhere. We don't know which one we run get, but we have to run go somewhere for a week or 2 weeks. I'll just chill and just relax, you know what I'm saying? Enjoy my life, so yeah, holidays are must this year.
Alright, next question. Will you be having children? I feel like you lot want to spend some cash on us, because do you know what I mean?
But it is, yeah, we are going to be having children, as opposed to when.
We don't know.
That's a secret, you know what I'm saying? Like, for even us, it's a secret because we don't know.
We don't know. Because it's not something that you plan, like, sit down and say, oh,
I'm
gonna breed tomorrow.
We're gonna do this tomorrow, babe.
Yeah.
We're gonna make it happen tomorrow. But
yeah, we plan to have kids.
Kids is a must, you know what I mean? We love kids. We're young. We're still young. We understand that, yeah. We're still young. We're still young. So give us some time, innit?
Yeah.
We can enjoy a little bit of married life.
You know,
a little bit of traveling,
living some luxury life.
Just some different
enjoying
things,
ourselves.
You know what I'm saying?
Going out.
Because when we have picnic, trust me, there will be no regrets.
And you might not even see us on YouTube them times there.
You know what I'm saying?
So enjoy us now.
Yeah, just enjoy like freedom right now, trust me.
Okay, what's been the toughest lesson you've learned during your marriage so far?
Toughest lesson? We haven't really been through like nothing that is that grave to our marriage where it taught us a lesson, but
I wouldn't say there's been a tough lesson.
No, there's not been a tough lesson, but what do I say?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't think we've had a lesson.
Well, we learn things about each other every day.
Yeah, we learn things, but nothing. I don't know, lessons. I don't think we've had much.
I don't think we've been through
anything that's going to teach us a lesson about each other.
Because the long distance relationship for us was very good because, you know, we learned a lot about each other from them times. So by living with each other now, it's.
I'm not trying to think hard.
It's pretty good. Like it's been good because we understand each other to that level. So.
The marriages the marriages that you see online is fake. Not fake, so that's the wrong word, but like, okay, how marriage has been perceived to us when we were younger, like, you know, date nights and always buying luxury gifts and but that's not really, I don't know, like, we haven't really learned a tough lesson.
Say we have to make more time for each other, you know what I mean? Because with me going to work most of the time, with babes I go to school and everything else, is like sometimes we probably forget each other, we get caught up with all of the schoolwork and going to work thing, but you know what I mean? Maybe that's it. We learn how we make time.
Yeah. So you have to allocate time for your partner because that's it, because life does get busy, so you have to kind of like not schedule them in, but you gotta make room for your relationship. Maybe that's a lesson.
Yeah, I guess.
What have you done about each other while being married / living together? Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah.
What have I learned? I learned 3,000 things. Go on, you go first.
I learned some babes that like sleep. But whenever she sleep with me, like I don't know, she don't wake up, you know what I mean? But if I'm not around, she doesn't sleep. Like, so, well, not even around, like, alright, so for example, she come from work, when we come home late, you know what I mean? You'd probably feel like, alright, then we're gonna have some sleep, we can wake up early. Me go on my bed, me wake up and babe still there.
I'm occupied, girl. You know that I run our social media. You know, I have university, I got assignments, I got dissertation, I got all. So like when everyone's sleeping, that's when my brain comes alive to work. That's when I get the push to do things. Know, so like, I can't.
It's a bit iffy because I feel like babes, I feel like you need some sleep. To be fair, I feel like babes need some sleep. You know what I'm saying?
But I sleep though.
I don't really see it that much.
I do sleep.
You can't go to bed 5 o'clock and then you wake up at 8 o'clock.
Maybe I push nap, but it's still sleep.
She don't sleep.
What have I learnt about my husband since living with him? I don't know, there's been a lot. There's been a lot. Let's see. What have I learnt about him?
Well, I've learned about my wife as well that she's a wonderful cook. She cooks well.
I do cook well, don't I?
She cooks quite well.
I do. I really do.
Because when we did in Jamaica and she
never cook.
She never cooked.
Never. No, I cooked once
and the one
at grandma's house.
And one time she cooked, well, I don't know.
It weren't good?
What did you cook?
You didn't eat it. Remember Clevy came in the pot?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you did.
You're rude. People, I could have cooked from a long time, but the problem was, me going to Jamaica was always a holiday, and I personally didn't believe that going on holiday I should be cooking, so I cooked once at grandma's house, and I think I cooked curry chicken and rice, and then my uncle came and tea for the pot, so Toussy never got to taste it.
But remember what time she cooked? Where did you cook, babes?
What?
Something in our pot, man, with mayonnaise and sugar. And I think she did make pasta one time, but she put sugar in it with like mayonnaise and thing.
No, I've only ever cooked pancake and curry chicken.
No, I remember the pasta.
No, babe. No.
Uncle ask him.
I feel like to ask him.
Even talk to them, they must say, they must say nobody put mayonnaise in a pot for cook.
I'm not agreeing to that because I don't remember that. I don't remember it.
You know what I mean? Me kind of did have like a bit, not necessarily doubt.
What mayonnaise?
You was cooking some pasta, babe. You put sugar in it. You put mayonnaise in it.
I never cooked with sugar, people.
She did this time.
What year was that?
I don't know, maybe 2012 2017, I think. Yeah, 2017.
I'm not agreeing to that.
I
I don't remember it. I don't remember that.
If it was like, I don't know, can she cook though?
Is she trying to put me on blast?
So you know, when
People.
me living with her, me find out, you know what? Yeah, she's a brilliant cook.
Anywho, what have I learned since living with my husband? You know, I've learned a lot about men since living with a man. Yeah.
How is that?
Look, don't try and put babe on blast, but ladies, if you're married, you will know. Like, let's say, so hubby has a tendency of just throwing things on the floor. I've learned that about him. And I went as far as I bought a laundry basket, and it still happens every now and again. That's one thing I've learned. But I think in Jamaica he's like, he's quite baby. Do you know what I mean? So, why are you humming?
No, just.
Why are you humming? Is it not? Am I lying?
Just speak.
Am I lying? Am I lying? I'm not lying, people. I swear to God, I'm not lying. I've just learned that as a wife, you kind of have to not go around and pick up after them, but you kind of. Do you know what I mean? I kind of feel like men don't really do things like how us females do things. I mean, they'll do it, but then it's like there's like a fine detail missing. Does that make sense? So
I can tell you what it is, yeah. You know when you work hard and you just come home when you're tired, you know what I mean? I might put down your bag here or something there, so. Cause you know you just want a little time to just recuperate, get a little energy and just relax. Maybe I gotta do it later. It's not that you just directly left it on the floor.
Everyone works hard.
I always pick up after myself, innit? I always do.
Toussy.
Even after you, babes.
So.
Oh,
what? Do you hear this? No, don't do that because now you feel embarrassed.
I'm not embarrassed.
No, Toussy, no. When do you pick up after me?
All the time.
When?
Alright, first of all, so I'm coming from work, people, like, me not much thing my wife want, but she always have like one whole room on the bed itself, you know what I'm saying?
No, Toussy, you can't say that. When was I do that?
All the time.
When?
She have about 2 or 3 different bags where she carry around. One with
I don't put bag on
gadgets,
the bed.
and then she have one.
No, I'm not even. No, you know.
She own all that, and she like to have everything one place.
No, guys.
So I don't know who is picking up.
Guys, I am telling you the truth. I could call mum right now. I could tell you the truth. They tell the truth about you putting stuff on the floor. Like he'll come home and he'll take off his trousers and put it on the floor. I'm like, oh, but babe, like the basket is just right there, babe. The basket's right there.
I'm tired from work.
No, but everyone's tired.
No, I'm tired.
Yeah, but everyone's tired. Anywho, listen, this question's just gonna it's gonna be very long and drawn out. I'm moving on because baby's not being fair. Because he's not being fair. No.
Why can you say that?
You're not being fair, babe.
I am being fair.
You're not being fair.
Yeah.
No, you're not.
I'll pick up after you as well.
No, but I'm saying, they're saying, what have I learned? I'm saying, I've learned that you have to baby your husbands. Because you'll do something and then when they do it, they don't do it to how you want it to do, so you have to go and redo it.
I think that's women problem, isn't it?
It's not woman problem, that's what I've learned since living with a man. You have to go behind them people and redo what they've done most of the time.
Because you want to, innit?
No, babe, no, but you know when you no, because you know when you know how to do something and you think, okay, it's gonna be done like this. Who else is question? Let's move on. Okay. When are you guys planning on having kids? Not for now.
Whenever the child comes, then that's when we're.
I've only got 2 hands, so not for now. Have either of you been to America before? Yes.
Yeah, babes
I have.
Been to America.
I have. America is lovely, but there's a few things that's a bit like leave it. But it's alright. Oh, TGI is so disgusting in America. I'm so sorry, guys. Your TGI is not blank. It's not banging. It's horrible. How long were y'all longest relationship before breaking the distance? 2.5 years.
2.5 to be.
No, is it 2.25? No, 2.5.
I would say 2.5 to be.
Wait, when did we start? April 2016, April 2017, April.
I'm got
May,
from
June, July,
February.
August. But we worked together in February though.
Technically.
No, man, you're just a little
Precise.
bit of fun, right? Bit of sauce. You gotta be technical, isn't it?
Not necessarily.
Okay.
2.5 years.
2.5 years, something like that. How do you keep the sexy being apart? We communicated a lot, like we answered a lot of questions. Not answered. We spoke on the phone like every single day and night. We made it a point for our duty. We had WhatsApp, Facebook. We had
our social media.
Yeah, all social media communicate. We had video calling things. We would talk on the phone. We would video call. We would Snapchat. Send postcards. We'll send nudes.
But
bit saucy nudes.
And definitely like the times that we were together, you know what I mean, we make it count. So
no, but this is when we're apart, babe. While being apart, like how do we make it?
Well,
how do we keep it sexy? I think mostly talking, really, you know, and video calling because we'll be smiling and
we used to give
stuff.
her enough lyrics in our ears as well. Via lyrics, you know what I mean, makes you feel good.
Yeah, that's one thing. When you don't have the distance, the lyrics them kind of ease, you know. Oi! That's my lip gloss, you know.
Come, read next question.
How has life changed for you both since you both are now full time in the same place? Well,
I'm not even
I cook every day now.
You didn't cook? I cooked yesterday.
Babe, man.
I'm cooking today.
Because he's on holiday. So what, if he's home, I'm gonna still be cooking. Not. Well, that's why I say 50-50. No. Listen. When he's at work, he comes home to nice cooked dinners. Yeah. He's on a holiday today, and all he has to do is cook. Right? I know what he's cooking today, people. Yesterday I got nice turkey neck and what do you call it? What did we get yesterday? Turkey neck and rice. Yeah. And today's cooking something very simple, so he's not out here breaking his back every day. No, don't make it sound like that, babe.
I'm just tired, you know what I'm saying? I'm on a vacation.
So, since he's been here, I cook every day. And that's it really. I mean, I was always a clean person, so the cleaning hasn't really changed, but the cooking has. Because you know with men, men can't really pick. Like females, we can have a fruit or pick on a sandwich or like a crisp or a yogurt or something simple. But with men, they need their full meal, innit? Like the rice and peas or the rice and chicken or rice
3 square meals a day,
pork meal and this and that. So men need their energy. So yeah, cooking has definitely changed in this household. But I'm a good damn cook. So he's quite lucky because do you know some females can't cook?
Okay.
But yeah, that is the end of our Q&A.
Keep showing my family here.
Yeah. So
you know, so I'm gonna go continue to see Julsz and Toussy, you know what I mean, more often. Different occasion maybe, you know what I mean. Next time I see we probably do a traveling vlog or something.
Maybe.
We're also keep it saucy, innit?
If you could please leave a comment down below of what kind of videos you want us to start doing, would be so appreciative. Because it's a bit hard, sometimes we run out of ideas and whatever. If you're not subscribed, what are you doing? What are you doing here? You know, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you never miss another video from us, the Hassans.
Yeah, just stay tuned to Julsz and Toussy, man.
What else? Like, comment and share with all your family, friends, neighbors, foes, enemies, everybody.
Your virgin.
Yeah.
Your virgin friend.
Your father,
cousin,
your uncle, your grandpa, your grandmother, everybody. But big up yourself and you'll see us soon again. We are out.
Bam.